not always going to be easy to find your voice and portray what it is exactly that you're wanting to say, especially if you haven't written it down and you don't have a script. But sometimes it's the best way to do it. So that's today's episode. Finding your voice. Your best bet, really, is be true to yourself. Don't come up with this persona that is basically a lie, and then people meet you out of here. Let's say you do well, you start going to, who knows, conventions or different things happening, creator clubs and different things, and you're nowhere near the person that you are on video. Well, really, that doesn't work. I mean, in my opinion anyways, that doesn't work. Change who you are. Sure, your voice might be a little different, the way you talk might change just a little. You're trying to, speak a little more proper, making sure that your words come out so that you can hear you're not mumbling or anything like that, but you really need to be true to who you are. And I've said this to a lot of people, even in my life. I've told people that, I'm not different at work and at home, at school, or if I'm doing something else. I don't change. This is what you get. I am what I am. And I don't change who I am to try and appease other people. You shouldn't have to. So when it comes to YouTube, or if you're going to be doing a vlog or blog or anything like that, I really feel like it should be exactly, it's the same idea. Don't change who you are. Find that voice and stick to it. Sure, talking to a camera is a little bit awkward, especially at first. It's another reason why I started this channel. To get better, for me to get better at talking to a camera. You got to look at it like you're talking to a buddy, you're talking to a friend. So, finding your voice can be difficult. The best way to do it is just start a channel, start doing this. See where it goes, see how it heads. Worst comes to worst, you get no subscribers because you're not putting a whole lot of effort into this. But you've learned to talk to the camera, you've gotten over that fear. And now you can start a new channel where you want to put more effort into it. And start banking on, excuse me, start banking on doing your editing properly and scripting things and all that. But start off by getting comfortable and finding that voice, finding that persona that works for you, that is still a part of you, who you are, and go from there. I think that's your best bet. That's why I'm doing it. So if you want to start a channel, go ahead, hit me up. Leave a message in the comments telling me what your channel is. I'll take a look. If I like it, I'll subscribe. Don't do the subscription for subscription thing. It doesn't work. If I like what you got, I'll subscribe because I'll be interested to hear what you have to say. Same goes for me. If you're interested, subscribe, hit the bell, right? Leave a comment, like, all that jazz. It'll be good. And if you don't, then don't. And it's not gonna hurt my feelings. So today is just some this is all I got for you today. I wanted just to say, finding your voice, keep it personal, and stay you, stay genuine. Don't make up somebody you're not. All right, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. You got this.